Can I actually master finance management and make it easy? Let's find out. Mastering finance management doesn't have to be overwhelming or complicated. It's actually quite accessible, and I'm here to show you just how easy it can be. Whether you're already good with money or you're starting from scratch, this video is for you. Living paycheck to paycheck is a stressful way to live. You're constantly worried about making ends meet, and one unexpected expense can throw everything off. Then there's the struggle with debt, credit cards, loans, and the interest that piles up. And let's not forget about saving. It's hard to know where to start or how much you should be setting aside. These are just a few of the common financial challenges people face. But here's the thing. These challenges can be overcome. You don't have to be stuck in a cycle of financial stress. With a bit of knowledge and some simple strategies, you can take control of your finances. It's not about becoming a financial expert, it's about making a few manageable changes to your daily habits. Many people feel like they just don't know where to start when it comes to managing their finances. They might feel overwhelmed by all the advice out there or unsure about what will work for them. But the truth is, finance management is more straightforward than you might think. So, let's dive into some actionable tips. First, creating a simple budget can make a huge difference. It's not about tracking every single expense, but about getting a clear picture of where your money is going. Next, automating your savings is a great way to ensure you're setting aside something each month. Understanding basic investment concepts can also help you grow your money over time. Tracking your expenses is another easy and effective tip. It's amazing how much money can slip away when you're not paying attention. By keeping an eye on your spending, you can make more informed decisions about where to cut back and where to invest. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple framework that can help you manage your finances. The idea is to allocate 50% of your income towards necessary expenses like rent and utilities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but it can be a helpful starting point. To put it all together, the key is consistency and patience. Financial mastery is an ongoing journey, not a destination. By implementing a few simple strategies and sticking to them, you can achieve financial control. To recap, we've covered some basic but powerful tips for managing your finances. The takeaway is that financial mastery is achievable, and it starts with small steps. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips today and see the difference for yourself. Share your favorite finance management hack in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more financial advice.